Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use template QR codes in Capcut. This guide will help you integrate dynamic QR codes into your projects with ease. First, ensure you have the Capcut application open on your device. You'll want to navigate directly to the Templates section, which is usually found on the main screen. These templates are fantastic for quickly adding shareable content, like a link to your social media or a website, making your videos more interactive for viewers. It's a simple process with just a few steps. Now, let's find and import your desired QR code template. Once in the Templates section, use the search bar and type QR code to filter the results. You'll see many creative options, so take a moment to preview a few to ensure it matches your video's style. After selecting your favorite, simply tap or click on it. Capcut will then automatically add this template to your project's timeline, usually as an overlay or a separate track, making it super convenient to start editing right away. With the template imported, it's time to customize your QR code. Select the QR code layer on your timeline to open its editing panel. Here, you can replace the default content with your actual link, such as a website URL or a social media profile. You also have full control over its appearance. Easily adjust its size, position, and even rotate it to fit perfectly within your video. Don't forget to explore options for changing colors or adding subtle animations to make your QR code truly stand out and grab attention. Finally, let's get your video ready for the world. Before exporting, play through your entire project to confirm the QR code is perfectly placed, clearly visible and scannable. Once you are completely satisfied with all your edits, head over to the Export menu. Here, you can select your desired resolution, perhaps 1080 pixels, and frame rate, like 30 frames per second, for optimal quality. After exporting, you can easily share your amazing video directly to various social media platforms or save it to your device for later use. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.